Welcome to Learning Algebra with Ms. Rodriguez. By the end of this video, you will understand graphing using slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is a special format of writing linear equations. We use it with y equals mx plus b. M is a number known as the slope. B is a y-intercept, and the y-intercept is a specific point on the graph that crosses the y-axis as this example. So this is the same as a linear function. You might have seen f of x written instead of y, where we would still have the 1/2 x plus 1. This means the same thing. I can also use function tables to graph this. However, by knowing slope-intercept form, I can quickly sketch a graph without having to find extra information. Taking a closer look at what everything means, we have our y-intercept in our equation. So that is the b portion. That is the number that is the constant in the equation, meaning number without a variable. So in this example, the constant is the number 1. So that is the y-intercept. That means that the point is going to cross the line at the point 0, 1. So I'm going to plot that point first. I'm going to look at that information first. Then I'm going to look at my m, my slope. M is for move because it doesn't necessarily tell me a number based on the coordinate grid. The m tells me my rise or my run, and that is found from the coefficient of x. So in this example, the 1/2 is the coefficient because that's the number in front of the variable. So this is going to tell me that I'm going to rise 1 and run 2. So that means I'm going to count up 1 and to the right 2 because they're positive, and it's going to give me my next point. By using this information, I can sketch a graph of this linear equation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow educators or students.